In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monzo Overdraft. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Monzo app, and then you first want to click on the home screen, bottom left, and from there, just below your card over here on the left, you can see it says account. So tap on your account over here, and then you'll be directed to this page, which is called Manage Your Account, and the first option up top is Overdraft, and then Learn About Overdrafts. Simply click on Learn About Overdrafts, and then from here, this is now the new page you're directed to, and it says that if you're eligible, Monzo can basically offer you an overdraft, and then next up, you'll review some information, and then you'll have to answer a few simple questions to see what they can offer you. Now, here's also some benefits you can read about, so no hidden fees, you can only pay what you use, etc. After that, tap on Next at the very bottom. And over here, you'll have to select how big of an overdraft you want. So max over here in this instance was £2,000, as you can see, but of course you can do less if you want to, or even more in case that's the option for your account. Now, over here, once you set your limit, so once you set how big of an overdraft you like, you want to tap on confirm and then the limit down below. And then from here, you'll see this message, which is overdraft is active, and then you'll be able to see how much you're currently using. So if you're currently using like this much of this amount that you have, you'll be able to see how much you still have left, etc. Okay? And whenever you come back to the previous page, you'll be able to see, it will say manage overdraft, and in here you will see your current overdraft limit, as well as the ability to change it, so you can change your limit or turn off overdraft in case you don't want to use it anymore. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.